SB200W snow machine transforms peaceful lawns into frozen tundras with a press of a button. Blasting artificial snow up to 7 meters in a sweeping arc, this winter-grade device delivers 2 hours of non-stop snowfall per tank, perfect for sabotaging overly perfect gardens or silencing obnoxious barbecues. Equipped with a remote control, you can schedule surprise flurries at set intervals, day or night. Why endure loud lawnmowers when you can summon a snowstorm instead? Subtle, silent, and satisfyingly inconvenient, the SB200W isn't just a snow generator, it's poetic justice in powder form. Turn their summer paradise into a winter battlefield and let nature, or tech, do the talking. The Nerf Terra Scout is not your average toy. It's a remote-controlled, all-terrain tracked robot built for tactical fun and backyard domination. Equipped with a rotating Nerf turret and a 35-round drum magazine, it delivers rapid-fire precision on command. Navigate any obstacle using the built-in live camera and a full-color screen remote. You're in control from a safe distance. Whether you're defending your lawn from unwanted guests or launching a surprise ambush on rowdy neighbors, this patrol unit makes every mission thrilling. Forget passive play. This is mobile, mechanized enforcement with flair. With rugged tracks, real-time targeting, and full mobility, it's like having your own security bot that also knows how to party. All this for $1,757, worth every shot. Denoise smart windows turn your home into a fortress of silence. Equipped with advanced acoustic modules and noise-canceling glass, they function like giant headphones for your walls, except they play nothing but peace and quiet. These windows detect incoming noise and generate anti-vibrations in real time, canceling up to 90% of sound. No more hammering, no more drum solos, no more screaming kids right outside your window. Whether it's renovation chaos or everyday street noise, denoise makes it disappear with science. Say goodbye to distractions and hello to focus, rest, or just blissful stillness. Why suffer through the noise of the world when your windows can fight back? The AquaJoe sprinkler isn't just for watering, it's your lawn's first line of defense. Priced at just $25, this compact Sentinel features a built-in timer and motion sensor, activating a full 360-degree spin to unleash powerful water jets up to 13 meters. Whether it's nosy neighbors, stray pets, or midnight raccoons, AquaJoe reacts instantly, delivering a drenching dose of justice. Day or night, it patrols silently until movement triggers its surprise shower. Why settle for a basic sprinkler when you can own one that enforces boundaries with style? Affordable, effective, and delightfully inconvenient for intruders, AquaJoe turns your lawn into a no-nonsense zone, with a splash of fun. Ultra-Force water mines are the perfect way to reclaim your lawn without saying a word. These non-lethal, motion-triggered traps unleash a sudden splash on trespassers, covering a 2.5-meter radius with pinpoint soakage. No alarms, no injuries, just a cold, wet dose of boundary enforcement. Whether it's wandering neighbors, stray pets, or overconfident joggers, no one escapes the splash zone. Use them solo or pair with sprinklers for a full water-based defense system that speaks fluent, "Stay off my grass." Silent, sneaky, and satisfyingly effective, Ultra-Force proves that water isn't just for plants, it's for justice too. Ready to send a message they won't forget. The Wi-Fi Pineapple Mark 7 is your digital watchdog, exposing hidden threats and nosy neighbors with shocking ease. Whether someone's leeching off your internet or testing your patience with unsecured devices, this gadget sniffs them out fast. Run professional-grade penetration tests, intercept credentials, and monitor nearby networks, all from your browser with 0 software installs. It works seamlessly across Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iOS. With just a few clicks, you'll uncover who's really on your Wi-Fi, and maybe a few secrets they'd rather keep private. At $300, it's not just a tool, it's a digital fortress. In the age of smart homes, this is how you fight fire with surveillance. Fake TV creates a convincing illusion of a real television by mimicking the glow and flicker of a TV screen. It automatically turns on at dusk, cycling through colors to simulate genuine TV activity, making any empty apartment look occupied. Perfect for deterring overly curious neighbors or enhancing home security, multiple units can be placed in different rooms to amplify the effect. Users have reported that even test participants struggle to distinguish fake TV from an actual television. This subtle, low-effort device offers peace of mind by giving the impression of an active home without running a real TV or wasting energy. Whether you live alone or travel often, fake TV is a smart, affordable way to keep your space safe and your neighbors guessing. The Fun Delivery Bleepin' Battery is a compact, pocket-sized gadget designed to disrupt smoke detectors with a sharp, realistic beep every 10 minutes. Once activated, it keeps going for about 4 days on a single battery, enough time to drive neighbors crazy as they scramble to locate the source. At just $12, this device offers an affordable way to prank or test smoke detector sensitivity without any installation hassle. Its discreet size means you can easily carry it during visits or gatherings, making it perfect for unexpected moments of mischief or security checks. Unlike other noisy alarms, the Bleepin' Battery's intermittent beeps are subtle yet persistent, ensuring it won't be ignored. Practical, portable, and power efficient, this gadget truly stands out. Atmos FX transforms your windows and doorways into eerie, spine-chilling displays with its high-quality projector and specialized video files. Imagine ghostly figures appearing at night or monsters crawling across your ceiling, perfect for spooking neighbors or adding unforgettable effects to any event. The $350 projector pairs with $22 video files, delivering vivid, realistic animations that look like hallucinations or curses, but are completely legal and hassle-free. Unlike static decorations, Atmos FX creates dynamic, moving scenes that capture attention and set the mood instantly. Whether for Halloween, pranks, or making a statement, this tech-savvy solution offers a creative, high-impact way to engage or intimidate, making every night an unforgettable spectacle. The parking bollard puts you firmly in control of your parking spot. Made from tough galvanized steel, it's nearly impossible to break, protecting your space from unwanted intruders. Weighing just 8 kilograms, it's lightweight enough for easy solo installation, yet mounts securely to concrete or asphalt for maximum stability. No more coming home to find your spot taken. Raise or lower the bollard remotely, sending a clear message to neighbors who think your parking is theirs. Compared to flimsy cones or signs, this durable, high-tech solution offers real protection and peace of mind. At $268, it's an investment in hassle-free parking and neighborhood respect you deserve. The Annoyatron kit includes 3 tiny devices that mimic sounds like clicks, meows, knocks, and eerie child laughter, perfect for driving noisy neighbors up the wall. Each device runs for a full month on a fresh battery, delivering relentless, subtle noise that's enough to make anyone question their sanity. Just slip one inside your neighbor's space and watch as their life turns into a psychological thriller of mystery and frustration. At only $70, it's an affordable, creative way to fight back against constant drilling, yelling, and partying without confrontation. Unlike loud or aggressive methods, the Annoyatron works quietly but persistently, turning annoyance into an art form that your neighbors won't forget. NoiseAware is a digital noise watchdog that monitors sound levels and instantly alerts you when noise exceeds your set decibel threshold. Perfect for keeping tabs on loud neighbors, it provides undeniable evidence to back up complaints, making calls to authorities more effective. With indoor and outdoor versions priced at $99 each, it fits various monitoring needs seamlessly. Imagine knowing exactly when your neighbors cross the line, turning frustration into actionable data. Unlike subjective complaints, NoiseAware delivers objective, time-stamped proof that encourages quieter behavior without guesswork. Whether you want peace of mind or leverage to enforce noise limits, this smart sensor makes battling noise disturbances simple, precise and surprisingly satisfying. The Signal Jammer, featuring 22 antennas, disrupts all wireless signals within a 40-meter radius. From GPS and Wi-Fi to drones and streaming devices, it effectively cuts off connections, sending noisy smart homes and loud yards straight back to the Stone Age. Imagine no more blaring outdoor cinemas, nosy drones buzzing your windows, or endless video streaming interruptions. Powered conveniently via a car's cigarette lighter, it's portable and easy to deploy wherever peace is needed. Unlike basic jammers, this high-tech device blankets a large area with signal-blocking power, ensuring complete silence and privacy. Starting at $1,188, it's the ultimate tool for reclaiming quiet, making noisy neighbors and tech intrusions a thing of the past. PaintCam takes perimeter defense to the next level with programmable precision. Built on a paintball or airsoft base, this turret isn't just smart, it's customizable. Thanks to open-source software, you can tweak its behavior, assign custom triggers, or even program it to track specific colors. Target that neon shirt every time. Want to build a sentry that reacts only to trespassers in red or follows moving objects at set speeds? PaintCam makes it possible. Whether you're defending your yard or staging the ultimate backyard showdown, this tech-savvy turret adapts to your rules. It's not just reactive, it's intelligent, flexible, and just a little bit terrifying in the best way. Sublethal is the ultimate deterrent for bold boundary breakers. This automated turret fires 17mm nylon balls, the same non-lethal rounds used by South African police for crowd control. Triggered 20 seconds after line crossing, it delivers a clear message without the paperwork. With a firing range of up to 25 meters, it covers large yards effortlessly. Operate it remotely via smartphone or let it run on autopilot for round-the-clock security. Whether it's unwanted trespassers or overly confident neighbors, Sublethal makes sure they think twice, fast and loud. No wires, no warnings, just serious perimeter enforcement with tactical precision. If a sprinkler says please, this turret shouts, "Get off my lawn." Muzo is your portable shield against unwanted noise and prying ears. This compact gadget sticks to any flat surface and transforms it into a sound-resonating barrier, using precision vibration patterns to block voices, machinery, and ambient chaos. Whether you're craving restful sleep or a focused workspace, Muzo has a mode for that. Sleep mode calms your surroundings, while privacy mode masks conversations to stop eavesdroppers cold. It's like a personal bubble of peace you can place anywhere. No construction, no wires, just instant quiet. Starting at just $89, it's a small price for sanity. From noisy neighbors to office chatter, Muzo silences the world so you don't have to shout back. The cactus fence uses sturdy, sharp plastic spikes designed to stop unwanted guests and nosy animals in their tracks. Sharp enough to deter even cats, these spikes create a clear boundary along the top of your fence, discouraging trash tossers and peepers alike. Unlike metal spikes, they're safe yet effective, sending a strong message without escalating conflict. Easy to install, a pack of 10 strips covers 13.5 meters, enough to secure your entire fence line for just $10. This simple solution removes temptation before problems start, protecting your privacy and keeping your yard clean without confrontation. Practical, affordable, and low-key, Cactus Fence is a smart way to guard your space quietly but powerfully.